In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your laptop battery last longer. So if the battery on your laptop is running out of charge super quickly, then there's a bunch of different things we can do to actually increase the battery life. So the first solution is just to head over to your start menu and search for settings, and then click on the settings window. In the left hand side, select Bluetooth and devices, and if you're currently not using Bluetooth, then you want to turn off and disable this feature, as this consumes valuable battery resources. Once you've done this, click on System in the left hand side, click on Display, and right at the top here, you're going to see brightness. Now, the best way to conserve battery life is actually just to reduce the screen brightness. Now, I like to keep mine somewhere at around about 75, but feel free to reduce this even further to conserve more battery life. Now, once you've done that, we're going to click on Apps in the left-hand side, select Startup, and here's all the applications that automatically run when you first turn on your computer. Now, all of these applications are going to be running in the background and consuming your battery life. So what you need to do is just go through this list and disable any applications that you don't need starting up when you first turn on your computer. So you can see on my computer, most of my applications are already disabled, and to disable an application, just make sure the switch is turned to off like this, and then you can close out of this window. The next thing you want to do is head back over to the start menu and search for Control Panel and click on the Control Panel window. In the top right hand side, make sure View By is set to large icons and then select Power Options. Now underneath your power plans, you want to go and select Power Saver. Now by default, mine's set to either high performance or balanced, but in order to conserve the most amount of battery, we want to make sure this is set to Energy Saver or Power Saver or whatever your plan is labeled here. Then what you can do is just close out of this window. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to the start menu and search for Task Manager and click on the Task Manager window. Now here you're going to see a full list of all the applications and processes currently running on your system. So if you have any applications here open that you don't need running in the background, then you can simply right click on it and select End Task. Another thing you can do is actually turn off your Wi-Fi. So if you're not using the Wi-Fi on your computer, this also consumes battery. So you want to make sure this here is switched off like so. And once you've followed all of these steps, that will now give you the longest battery life possible. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.